Hello everyone! This is a quick video about accessing your SPOL account via the new myGate design. First, log in to the Rapid Identity portal using your MSU account details. You may need to authenticate your credentials in the Duo app. Once you're logged in, click on the myGate application link. Then, from your myGate homepage, click the Resources tab. Search for the Employee Applications card to see the SPOL link. You may want to bookmark the Employee Applications card to save it on your myGate homepage for easy access. Otherwise, just click the SPOL icon to access the platform. It's that simple. If you would like to see more of our videos, feel free to explore our channel or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu. To stay updated with our latest tutorials and guides, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and go Racers!